This is just a short video. I was asked if I would make one and then ship it to Canada. The answer is no. The whole point of my design is that you can make it locally. And sorry about that, Jim, in Canada, but if you go to your local blacksmith or your local little fabrication company, which you must have, he will make this for you. There's all the dimensions that you need. In red if you want to do a 5-inch system, and in the black is the 4-inch system. There's all the dimensions you need. So I hope this helps you out, and anybody else that wants to make the fire, there it is. It does work nicely, and I can guarantee you're going to enjoy the performance it gives you. This is Dave signing off. I hope this helps you all out, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you all later. Bitey byes. Whoosh, we're gone.